Thank you for tuning into G7 Sports. Well, I'm going to get my nails done this morning. This is my weekend as a pastor. I like coming early. Mama used to say the early bird get the worm. That's why you should like getting to work early. Have time to get you some coffee, eat a donut, watch the people come in. Enjoying life, that's what it's all about. Looking up at the stars. And enjoying life. Live it while sickness is not on your body. Live it while you're not in a jacked up relationship. Lord Jesus. Paul said, it's better to marry than burn. But there's nothing wrong with being single. You can think of the things of the Lord. I love you all. Be blessed.